And I'm rolling.
You can just edit whenever you want to. Okay. So today we're going to show you how to replace a trunk latch on a 2012 Jetta Sportwagen. To get this guy off, there's basically clips that run along the edge on the inside here. You can't see it. Even if I pull it down, I don't think you can really see it. But basically, you want to make sure you get those clips out. And once you start in the front, once you get those clips undone, it'll loosen this whole thing. In the back, you'll be able to get your fingers. If you've got thin fingers, kind of like me, you can get your fingers up underneath here once the front's loose, and you can pull down this way because there are clips that run along these spots.
Yeah, careful, babe. Which spots?
These right here. So basically, here, rough, here. So, yep, just something simple. So first you start off by getting this guy loose. The first latches are right here in the front. You can kind of see them. You want to get inside there and pull them out. That does take a little bit of force. It's always nice to have one of these guys on hand, flathead, so you can get in there and actually pop it out. We're going to show you how to get some of them out over here on the back side. So basically, that's where you see I've already got it undone. I want to latch it back up. When I go inside, you can actually, now at this point I can pull it open. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Like that. If you need to though, you can always get the flathead up underneath here and pop this guy down. And then, once you get all the latches off, there we go. And this is what the inside looks like. These clips are really quite ingenious, but they just hold on nice and snug. So there you go. So that cover comes off.
If it breaks or moves, you can replace it.
Also too, they make it so it's easily replaceable. These little pieces, just pinch them together and put them back, and that's pretty much it. So, all right, put that aside. And so now you got the latch up here. You can see that we've already replaced ours. Old one, new one. But I'll show you the tool and how to get it on and off. It's actually pretty easy. All right, so this is what we bought at the parts store. Something simple, just a basic set. And you end up needing triple square. That's what it's called. So it's a pretty big set. All right, so we're going to end up using the 8mm with 1/2 inch bit. A wrench. I'll get this guy done for you. Alright, so the last bolt too, and what you're going to need is another flathead, and just pop this guy out. It'll come out as I break it. Like that. So there you go. So little plug right in the back just snaps in. It lines up pretty easy. You can't really mess this part up. So little clip right in the very back. You want to go until you hear that snap, or until it's snug enough that it won't move. There we go. And now we'll go ahead and put it back into place. Basically, obviously, if you have a new one, you'd want to put the new one on, but since we already put the new one on, let's put the same one back into place. Don't tighten it on all the way yet. You want to make sure the other side's snug first, and then you can torque them on down. There's one. There's the other. Okay, so new latch. Should be working great. Always make sure it's open before you shut it. It'll clip in automatically. So Now we can go and test this out and see if it works. There you go.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So now for the cover to get back on, it takes a little bit of finagling when it comes to getting it back. But I always start with one side in first. Let's go from over here. I always start with one side in first, kind of like this. You slide this side in first, left or right, doesn't matter. It makes it easier then to get it back into place. Just kind of push it. Takes a little bit of effort. There we go. And now that's back there, and I'll bring the trunk down so you can see. And so now the clips, you just got to line them up with the holes. Sometimes you have to kind of push it to align it, and then just pop them back into place.
Is it broken?
It won't quite latch.
Now the screws.
Yep, and then just put the screws back in place, which I probably don't need to go over with you guys, but I mean literally just star head into there, and you got your covers that you put right in there. There you go. And that's how you fix the Volkswagen trunk latch.